Christmas! No, you didn't make a mistake and click on the wrong video. Yes, this is being published on March 25th because I'm celebrating Christmas all year long. That's right. Why not celebrate the spirit of Christmas all year long? Speaking of which, you are new. I haven't seen you here before. And if you are new, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're a returning friend, hey, how you doing? Nice of you to stop in and have, a little bit of tea and coffee and just sit with me and watch me as I craft. Anyway, I wanted to tell you about this month's collaboration, which is being co-hosted by Melissa of Melissa Makes It DIY, and we are celebrating the spirit of joy. That's right, the spirit of joy and Christmas all year long. So let's see what I came up with for the theme of joy. Yeah, that way. I created this playlist because there's simply a lot of stuff that I have that I've never gotten around to, and this is one of them. I've had this sign for 3 Christmases. I got this over 3 years ago after Christmas at Hobby Lobby at 90% off. I think I paid, if I'm not mistaken, 99 cents for these letters, and they're chunky and wonderful, just like me. So yes, I'm painting it white first because I am going to decoupage it with that lovely leafy tissue paper from Dollar Tree. And here's that tissue paper from Dollar Tree. I have to say, Dollar Tree has really upped their game with all different types of products, including tissue paper. Yes, it's not just those plain colors anymore. They got florals and this beautiful botanical green leaf. And I thought this was perfect to have a neutral joy sign that I can have up all year long if I want to. Because hey, we're rejoicing in Christ's resurrection in Easter, so why not put it out for Easter, right? So let's enjoy me ripping paper off. Just rip it off. Yeah. That's the easiest thing to do with decoupage sometimes. Just rip it off. Once it's dry, it's the easiest way. And then if you want, you can go around it with a little bit of a sandpaper, or even just a nail file is good. Next, I thought it would be cute to have a little ivy. Little lambs eat ivy, goats eat oats, and little lambs eat ivy. Anyway, distracted. A little ivy like wreath to put in that joy sign. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this first craft, and hope you get to find some joy out there and maybe make a sign of your own. Okay, I'm gonna admit, this craft is just shameless because basically I found these mug stickers at Dollar Tree. I had this mug hanging around the house, and yeah, pretty much placed a sticker on a mug, and it happened to say, "Choose joy." So there you have it, easy peasy. So this was a cute little artist set, canvas set for kids, and I received like 4 or 5 of these in one of my Michael's grab boxes from 2 years ago. Yeah, what am I doing keeping it around? This was the last one I had left, actually. I'd given them out as gifts to friends and my niece, and I'm using the Dollar Tree calendar artwork, which was perfect. I don't know why I didn't use it this last Christmas. And I'm using the matte Mod Podge from the Plaid family of products. I love Plaid. They've been very generous with their products to me, and I understand a lot of my friends have become Plaid ambassadors, so welcome to the Ambassador Club. And there you go, just pouring out the Mod Podge. Yep, there you go. And I will be using a tool from Mod Podge that I had seen, but I wasn't sure if it actually worked, but it works. It's what I call a squeegee and a roller, and it works fabulously, as you'll see in just a moment. Now I thought since I had these paints and these wonderful brushes already available to me, why not go one step further? So I'm actually painting the artwork to make it look like painted artwork. Does that make sense? I don't know, maybe it was overkill, but the colors were kind of faded on this artwork, and I thought it would be nice just to have the texture of the acrylic paint on top of that, glossy paper. And I think it looks pretty nice. So here I'm just doing all the greenery and stuff, and then I'll do the poinsettias, and I will also go over some of the words in the sign itself with some gold paint, again from Folk Art Paints. So here I am just painting over the poinsettias. Poinsettias? I don't know, those red flowers we see all the time at Christmas time. I really like the way this is turning out. I was actually going to embellish it more with some ribbon, and I actually just liked it with the extra paint. It gave it a little bit more oomph. And just sitting there and painting, I'm painting over the pine cones now. I don't know, it's very relaxing. No wonder Bob Ross is so chill, because when you're painting, of course, here I'm sped up, but it just seems like you just lose yourself in what you're doing, and you're not thinking about anything else but focusing on these items. Now I'm just going over some of the words in gold. I just thought it would add a little more panache or something. And yeah, I'm really happy with this sign, and I think it's nice to remind ourselves that even though we're going to go through Lent, we're finishing Lent, and Holy Week will be rough, there will be good tidings of great joy once again on Resurrection Day. I got that joy, 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 joy down in my heart, down in my heart, down in my heart. I got that joy, joy. Sorry, I got so into celebrating joy that I started singing. Anyway, thank you to Melissa Makes a DIY for co-hosting this joyful challenge with me, and to all of those who joined my playlist this month. Remember, I'm going to be celebrating Christmas every 25th of the month, and on the 31st of every month, well, those months that have the 31st, we'll be doing something spooky. So come back and check me out. Anyway, if you enjoyed this craft and all the other crafts that I've done in my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I would love to see you again. And as I always like to say to my friends, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you. And remember to live the adventure and choose joy, people.